Hello, my name is Dawnette Esselholm, and I'm a certified school counselor. In this video, we'll discuss financial aid, which is money to help pay for college, a university, or a vocational or technical school. We'll cover 3 ways to obtain financial aid, such as through the free application for federal student aids called FAFSa. We'll discuss the Florida Financial Aid Application, best known as the Bright Futures Application. And last, we'll discuss various free financial aid search engines. First, we'll discuss the FAFSa. As it pertains to the FAFSa, the Florida College Access Network states, high school graduates in Florida leave behind over $100 million in Pell Grants each year because they do not complete the form. This means each year there are millions of dollars of free money going unclaimed because families simply do not complete the FAFSA form. There are 3 types of aid students can receive from completing the FAFSA form. These are grants, which is money you do not have to pay back, work-study program where you work at a participating location and get paid, and last, loans, which is borrowed money that must be repaid. To complete the FAFSA, visit www.studentaid.gov. If you need assistance with completing the application, Education Quest Foundation has demonstration videos on every section of the FAFSA. Check it out if you need help in completing the form. You want to act now in completing the application as there are state and college priority deadlines. Check with your college for their priority deadline. The priority deadline for the state of Florida is Friday, May 15th, 2020, so apply now if you haven't. It's free. Another way to obtain money to pay for your schooling is through the Florida Financial Aid Application, best known as the Florida Bright Futures Application. I will quickly walk you through the layout and functionality of this form. You will visit www.floridastudentfinancialaid.org. You will click on the State Grants, Scholarships, and Applications tile. Then you will click on Create a Student Account. This is the first step in this process, and you will need to input your information in the profile screen. The areas with the red asterisks are required to move forward. It is okay if you do not know your FLE ID. You want to be sure you enter a working phone number and email address. Although the SSN area for your social security number does not have an asterisk, you still want to be sure to enter that information. Leaving it blank may cause delays to the evaluation of your application. Once you submit, your login credentials will display temporarily and emailed to the email address you provide. Step 2. Step 2 is completing the demographic and academic background information. The corresponding sections of the tabs mentioning the Children and Spouses of Deceased or Disabled Veteran Scholarship, the Jose Marti Scholarship, the Rosewood Family Scholarship, and the Farm Worker Student Scholarship will only be available based on your responses from the demographic section. Step 3 is the Student Acknowledgement tab. Select Submit to complete your application. The deadline to be considered for the Bright Futures Scholarship is August 31st, 2020. For more information, visit the Florida Student Financial Aid site. Last, there are a plethora of financial aid search engines. I will share 3 search engines you can use to apply for scholarships. Remember, scholarships are free. You should not be required to pay anything to get the scholarship. This search engine is an oldie but a goodie, and it's fastweb.com. FastWeb claims to be the internet's premier scholarship search engine, including more than 600,000 scholarships worth more than $1 billion. Then there's Raise.me, where they partner with certain colleges to provide micro scholarships. You would have to see if your college of choice is partnered with Raise.me. You can earn money for your grades, participation in sports, clubs, and service hours completed. Last but certainly not the least is bigfuture.collegeboard.org. There are plenty features to explore on this site, but certainly explore the scholarship search section. All in all, as it pertains to securing funds for your educational future, you want to complete the FAFSA application always sooner than later. Do not wait. You want to also complete the Bright Futures application. Although Bright Futures is used for schools within the state of Florida, I still recommend students going out of state to complete the application. This is because for whatever reason you would have to come back to Florida, you will have an application on file. And last, explore scholarship search engines to apply for scholarships, which is free money. Remember, you can never have too much money for school. Take the time to secure financial aid for your educational future. In the comments below, explain what prevents you from completing the FAFSa, Bright Futures, or scholarship searches. Second, as a result of this video, do you now have a better understanding of either of the 3 types of financial aid applications? Comment below.